A versatile cabinetry system with contemporary styling that lets you custom build your perfect space? That's what NewAge 24-inch home bar cabinets are all about. Our cabinets are engineered with premium quality materials for low maintenance, highly functional storage that looks beautiful. It starts with a sturdy foundation of a thick 18mm frame, protected by a vibrant white melamine finish that's easy to keep clean. 19mm MDF drawers and doors stand up to years of daily use, gliding smoothly on premium 6-way adjustable soft close slides and hinges. The European open-frame cabinet construction combines maximum storage space with modern shaker doors. Available in on-trend styles that match any decor, our doors are finished with a 2-layer primer and 2-layer lacquer paint process that ensures a vibrant, durable, and uniform door color. NewAge home bar cabinets deliver pre-assembled, with smart design features to take the guesswork out of installation in your space. Height-adjustable legs keep your cabinets perfectly level, even if your floors aren't. Complete your cabinet set with a precision-fit natural granite countertop, available in 3 styles for a stunning focal point of your home bar. Our tops are available in multiple lengths to perfectly fit your set. Personalize your cabinets with floating shelves for beautiful open storage areas, LED lighting for both interior cabinet and undermount illumination, and custom millwork like side panels, moldings, and toe kicks for the perfect finish. NewAge makes getting your perfect storage solution easy with 3 ways to shop. Choose from our pre-configured sets, which include cabinets, countertop, hardware, and millwork. All components come fully assembled, ready to install and enjoy. Start with a customizable dry or wet bar set and add your choice of countertops, handles, moldings, and accessories. Or let our award-winning design team help you build your complete customized set from our modular bar components. With convenient online shopping, free design help, and a choice of pre-configured or customizable sets, getting the perfect home bar solution has never been easier. Organize and beautify any space in your home with the versatile storage of home bar cabinets from NewAge Products.